Let us now listen to Rafael Pauline Camilli from Section St. Scholastica as he delivers the welcome remarks. Let's give him a round of applause.
To Sister Mary Frances F. Dison, Order of St. Benedict, our school directress, Mrs. Maria Lucia S. Facundo, our grade school principal, administrators, faculty, staff, parents, friends, and most especially to my fellow grade 4 awardees, a blissful morning, Benedicite. Today, I feel very honored to stand in front of you to share the achievements of my fellow awardees and make our parents proud. It is a very important milestone in our lives, and today we gather to celebrate our shared success. Recognition Day is the time when we reap what we have planted throughout the school year. We harvest the fruit of our hard work, sacrifices, and faith amidst all sorts of challenges. This event is the culmination of all the hard work in year of full face-to-face after the pandemic. It is the day when we, the pupils, can say, "I have done it." We are gathered today not just to celebrate our success, but also to highlight our values, which we, the awardees, demonstrated, like discipline, patience, determination, and honesty. With this, I extend my warmest congratulations to my fellow awardees. May we serve as inspirations to the familians of today in our continuous effort towards academic excellence and holistic development as we practice the Benedictine motto of Ora et Labora. Once again, welcome to our recognition rites. Thank you and good morning.